Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel. In this video you will get the latest XRP news updates. Before beginning, please press the like and the subscribe buttons. Thank you. In the first new news update, FTX Japan has announced that it has resolved issues surrounding user withdrawals of Bitcoin, BTC, and XRP. Previously, the exchange had reported security and risk control issues for users making withdrawals, but promised to resume procedures once all security checks had been carried out. According to FTX Japan, its users currently hold 71.8 million XRP and nearly 4,000 BTC in their balances. The exchange has net assets of approximately $76 million and cash and deposits estimated at $135 million. FTX Japan recently announced that it has resumed fiat and cryptocurrency withdrawals for its users. Following this news, the quotation of the FTX native token, FTT, initially surged by over 27% but then deflated. However, the exchange itself remains inactive, with operations halted and withdrawals being made through Liquid Japan, which is also a subsidiary of FTX. Despite the Japan Financial Services Agency imposing a cease and desist order on FTX Japan, there has been talk of resuming withdrawals since early December. In the meantime, the exchange is likely to be sold, with appropriate court approval already granted. Major players, such as Japanese financial conglomerate Monex Group, have shown a keen interest in acquiring FTX Japan. New news. XRP is expected to experience pressure this morning following Tuesday's pullback. The lack of updates on the SEC v Ripple case means the Nasdaq index will likely influence it. The digital currency declined by 1.73% on Tuesday, but despite the bearish trend, it touched the 40 cents handle for the second time in 5 sessions, partially reversing a 3.17% rally on Monday. XRP opened bullish today and hit a mid-morning high of $0.40222, but failed to reach the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.4121, which caused it to slide to a low of $0.38761 in the late afternoon. However, XRP managed to avoid the first major support level, S1, at $0.3810 and briefly revisited $0.3949 before settling back down. The more hawkish outlook of the Fed interest rate trajectory, based on the better-than-expected services PMI for February, prompted a response from the Nasdaq Composite Index, which slid 2.50%. Despite the ongoing optimism on the SEC v Ripple case outcome, Ripple news and SEC v Ripple chatter took a backseat. Investors are encouraged to stay updated on SEC v Ripple chatter and Binance, FTX, and Silvergate Bank updates. However, the expectation is that SEC activity and US lawmaker chatter will be the key driver unless there is a ruling from the courts on the SEC v Ripple case. The FOMC meeting minutes and Fed chatter will affect the broader crypto market, and hawkish minutes and FOMC member commentary would support expectations of a more aggressive Fed interest rate trajectory. XRP is currently down 0.50% at $0.38947 after starting the day bearish and falling from an opening price of $0.39199 to a low of $0.38914. XRP needs to move through the $0.3938 pivot to reach the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.3999 and the Tuesday high of $0.40222. However, the broader crypto market and SEC v Ripple chatter must support a breakout. If there is an extended rally, XRP will probably test the second major resistance level, R2, at $0.4084 and resistance at 41 cents. The third major resistance level, R3, sits at $0.4230. If XRP fails to move through the pivot, the first major support level, S1, at $0.3853 is in play. However, XRP should avoid going below sub $0.3750 except in an extended broad-based crypto sell-off. The second major support level, S2, at $0.3791 should limit the downside, and the third major support level, S3, is at $0.3645. This completes the video of AI, XRP, new news updates. Thank you for visiting the AI for Us 2 channel. Press the like and subscribe buttons before you go. And please, believe all AI.